Today, we formalize the partnership between the DepEd and the different provinces around the country. And it is an effort to make sure that every Filipino student has a safe and decent classroom to learn in. As of December of last year, we have a classroom shortage that amounts to a stunning 145,000 units. And this is the gap that we must address urgently. This partnership with the local government units, that is one of our strategies. We are changing the system because the process that we have now is much too slow. Through this MOA, we are ensuring that these funds translate into tangible results through a strict performance-based framework. It's only the beginning. We will continue to provide all the support that our children need. Let us all work together as we ensure that our children will get the education that they deserve in this age of Bagong Pilipinas.
Well, ito yung sinabi ni Presidente na i-involve na natin yung mga governors, mayors, mga local government units para mas malaki yung tsansa na mas marami tayong magagawang mga silid-aralan. So ito po yung idea ni Presidente. Kaya yung pera, diretso na dadaan na sa DepEd at ipapasa na lang namin sa mga local government units. So, maganda dito, dahil dati isang ahensya lang ang gumagawa, ngayon mabagal. So ngayon marami nang gagawa. So sabay-sabay yung construction of school buildings. Sir President, salamat po. Napakalakas na suporta niya sa DepEd, sa mga teachers, sa mga learners, and now to our local government units. Maraming natutuwa dito sa inyong programa. Thank you po.